this video series, I'm going to show you how to make a little pouch that has a snap on it. And you're going to use your fabric that is left over from your crossbody bag. You all got a pattern that looks like this. And this pattern has a lot of information that you'll need to make this project. One, the dotted lines here represent your seam, and from the dotted line to the solid black line is your seam allowance. So you'll measure that. I believe it is, let's see, it looks like 3/8 of an inch, which would be basically the edge of the fabric to the edge of the foot. Okay, so that's one piece of information that you find here. These little circles with dots in the center, that represents the placement for the snap. So you'll need to mark that. Oh, I said down here it's 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. So let me remeasure that. It's really 3/8. So I need to fix that. Let's see what else. Okay, you have a fold line here, which is 3 5/8. And this is the pouch, the name of it. And you have to cut 2 pieces of fabric. And then over here is where you're gonna leave an opening. So you'll need to double pin here, or you could mark it with the invisible ink pen if you want to do that, so that you know that that has to stay open. So those are all the pieces that you need to know to make all the pieces of information that you need to know to make this little pouch. All right, so this is some scrap fabric that I had left over. So what I'm gonna do is put right sides together, and then I'm gonna put this pattern. Now this pattern, the width of it, it fits perfect. So I only have to cut out 2 sides instead of 4. And then pin this down. Now, there's, before when we had tag board, we used a pen and we traced around it and we cut it out. You can continue doing that if you want, or you can just cut around your pattern. And that's the method I'm choosing. All right, the next thing I need to do is I need to mark where these snaps go. And the technique on how to mark is you put a pin. I'm going to put a pin through the center, and I'm going to peel back my pattern here, and I'll put a dot here. And then I'll put another dot on the back here. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side here. Put a pin through the center, unpin that. Okay. And then the other thing you can do is leave this open. So what I can do is put a pin here just to mark that and draw a line. And do the same thing on this side. All right, so that's cutting out and marking.